Is Zelorava London the next big thing in online fashion, or just another store dressed up to look legit while hiding a scam underneath? At first glance, Zelorava looks like a trendy, budget-friendly women's clothing brand offering everything from maxi and mini dresses to fashionable accessories, with clearance sales boasting discounts of up to 50% off. The site gives the impression of being a well-established boutique. But when we look deeper, several concerning red flags came to light that shoppers should be aware of before making a purchase. For starters, the domain was only registered in August 2024, which makes the store extremely new, something that often signals potential risk, especially when combined with other suspicious factors. Despite bold claims of having over 45,000 satisfied customers, the store has very little presence outside its own website. There are no active social media accounts, no community engagement, and no trace of genuine followers or reviews on popular platforms. In today's digital age, that's highly unusual for a fashion brand and raises immediate doubts about their authenticity. Even more troubling, many of the product photos on Zelorava have been found on other unrelated websites, which could indicate the use of stolen images or dropship goods misrepresented as original designs. When it comes to customer feedback, the picture gets even worse. On Trustpilot, Zelorava holds a disappointing 1.6-star rating based on over 24 reviews, with numerous users complaining about extremely slow shipping times, often taking several weeks or even months to arrive. Many buyers report that the quality of the items received does not match the images shown on the site, with some calling the clothing cheap, poorly stitched, and completely different from what was advertised. Adding to the frustration, customers also report difficulty in getting any kind of response from customer service, and several mention that the return or refund policy is either fake or impossible to access. To make matters worse, the website falsely implies the items are shipped locally or from within the UK, while most products are actually coming from overseas, usually China, without any transparency. While we can't say definitively that Zelorava is a full-blown scam, the pattern of misleading claims, unverified customer base, suspicious practices, and overwhelmingly negative reviews make it a highly questionable choice. If you're thinking of buying from Zelorava London, this review should give you all the reason to pause, dig deeper, and think twice before trusting your money to a store that may not deliver what it promises.